The Red Magic is the new phone from Nubia, and it's built for gaming. But you probably didn't need me to tell you that. The Red Magic is particularly screaming for extreme gamer, with its sharp hexagonal cutouts for the camera and fingerprint sensor, aggressively red fans and details, and the glowing LED strips on the back. Oddly, these specs on the Red Magic aren't actually quite in line with what you'd expect from a mobile gaming powerhouse. The 6-inch 2160 by 1080 pixel display is up there, but it's not a 120Hz panel like Razer offers. And it uses last year's Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor instead of the newer Snapdragon 845. The rest of the phone is pretty standard for a mid to high-end Android phone too, up to 8GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage on the high-end model, along with the cheaper 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage model. Camera-wise, there's a 24MP rear camera and an 8MP front-facing lens, and rounding things out on the hardware side of things is an impressively large 3800mAh battery, which should help with power-hungry games. Nubia also claims that it'll be using its camera boost software to offer better performance. This is probably where the gaming focus comes in. Between last year's Razer phone, the Xiaomi-backed Black Shark, and now the Nubia Red Magic, it is safe to say that gaming phones are having a moment. And while a smartphone dedicated to gaming might not make a ton of sense to American users, the Nubia Red Magic is meant more for markets like China. The Chinese market is where the mobile MOBAs are extremely popular, and having a phone that focuses on gaming makes a lot of sense in that context. And even outside of China, the successful mobile ports of games like PUBG and Fortnite is starting to change the conversation about what phone games can accomplish. Pre-orders open in China on April 25, starting at 2,499 yuan, or roughly about $397 for the base mode, and 3,000 yuan, or around $477 for the high-end version. So what do you guys think? Which one of gaming smartphone would you get? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Please give a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more info about gadgets. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.